Suppose a body is moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration. So starting here at 0, after 1 second we find that the body has reached this location. This is distance covered in first second. I call it S1. Because it is accelerating, it is speeding up, it covers a larger distance in second. So this is the distance covered in second. दूसरे सेकंड के अंदर कितना डिस्टेंस कवर हुआ, यहाँ से यहाँ तक कवर हुआ. In the third second, the distance covered is this much. So it is further increased. Distance covered in third second. So it will keep on increasing as we go further. S4. So now question is, how do we find how much is this, or how much is this, or how much is this? We can use a simple relation, that is second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Suppose we want to find this. So we have to put value of t 4 first. When we put value of t equal to 4, the distance we find will be this distance, and then we put value t equal to 3 here, and then we find the distance is this much. So if I subtract these two, I will get S4. So in general, if I say that from some initial reference point, after n seconds, the body is at this location, and n minus 1th second, it was here. This is n minus 1th. This is n. So the distance covered in the last second, this is nth second, is represented by Snth. To find Snth, I first find how much is the distance covered by the body in n seconds, and then I will find how much is the distance covered by the body in n minus 1 seconds. I take the difference of the two, okay, and then I will get a set relation which I will use as a standard practice, right? So is this clear? Concept clear हुआ? हाँ, तो हम इसको इस प्रकार से लिखेंगे, S is equal to UN, T की जगह हम N पुट कर रहे हैं, this N, UN plus half AN square. This is say S1, S2 is UN minus 1 plus half A n minus 1 square. I want Snth. So if I say this is n and this is n minus 1, so Sn minus 1. तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है, खाली n है, n minus 1 है, और ये nth है, n के साथ मैं ts लगा रहा हूँ यहाँ, तो इसलिए पढ़ते भी Snth है. Snth means displacement in nth second. So we just put these values here, UN plus half AN square minus UN minus 1 minus half AN minus 1 square. So this is U common ले लो, n minus n plus 1, ये माइनस का है तो माइनस n, ये प्लस 1, और यहाँ से हाफ a कॉमन ले लो, तो ये n स्क्वायर minus n minus 1 whole square. So this n goes, you are left with u plus half a. अब ये a square minus b square है, तो sum and difference n plus n minus 1, n minus n plus 1. So this is 1 and this is u plus half a into 2n minus 1. That is Snth. Very important relation.